Hi folks, my name is Darby and I work in the Incubation Engineering department at GitLab. This is the DevOps for Mobile Apps demo for September 17th. And as always, we've got an issue here that kind of details the work that was done this week. And for anyone new to these updates, the very first section here is talks about our mission in this group. So our goal with this group is to make the DevOps experience for mobile developers better in GitLab. So we do this with a few things, but this week we're focused on the Review Apps for Mobile feature that we've been working on. This has been in the works for a couple weeks now, and we've been polishing it up a bit. This week focused on kind of making the setup easier, and we also did a video walkthrough for folks setting that up. So there's some instructions here and then a video that you can watch if you want to see how to get that set up. The other change this week, we kind of focused on the some of the UX parts of the review app templates, the CI templates. And so what this is doing is it's going to make the experience a little bit better. So we added the allow failure keyword into the job, so that if you have a failure in the review app pipeline, it's not going to cause your entire pipeline to fail. And then we also added a little bit more messaging for the configuration. So if you don't have an appetize token set, then the job will tell you that, and it doesn't kind of hide that error from you. So that's improved. That's a much easier experience now for folks. And then the other thing we did a little bit this week was looked into some alternatives. So if we wanted to use something other than Appetize for these in-browser emulators, what could we work with? So there's a couple projects that I've linked here. These are one for Android and one for iOS. And there are some components that we would use to make something like this work. It's a bit more elaborate of a system to set up. So I don't think we're going to focus on that right now, but it's good to know that these tools are out there and that we could leverage them in the future if we need to. So that's kind of the main things for this week. I've got my sample projects listed here again, as always, and then some of the examples of the various builds that we've tested with. So there's some links to some review app pipelines in here as well. So then coming up next week, so I'm going to spend some time next week focusing on getting some more test users to use the Review Apps feature. I've been talking with some customers and some users, and so I want to follow up on getting them set up and getting some more feedback there. I'm also going to be sketching out some approaches to improve the setup process. May or may not execute on those right away, but at least get some of that planning in place now while we're kind of working in it. So keep working on that, and then I've also identified several new domain experts that I'm going to connect with next week to just get some more feedback in the domain and see their insights and how we can make this experience better for mobile developers on GitLab. That's it for the update this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.